Today we're going to show you how to degrease and take apart your 350 Chevy inside your kitchen.
What?
In your backyard, by the kitchen. In the backyard. Yeah, we found the problem. I'm really curious to see what's on the inside of this. Why? Because of that black smoke that kept coming out. This engine is shot either way. So we're gonna clean it off and then we're gonna open her up. Stay tuned. So what we're gonna use here today is Super Clean. I don't know much about it. I've seen a lot of people use it, but we're just gonna use this degreaser here, scrub it down a bit. As you can see, my channel doesn't have enough subscribers to really get any kind of promotions or anything. This is just me buying the stuff. So maybe if you'd subscribe, we could get some people to send us some things to try out. Help us out. The engine cleaned up pretty good, mainly because of using a scrubber and the power washer. The degreaser I know helped a little, but I didn't wait long enough to figure out how much. So, I imagine it would have done better if it was like this was caked on stuff. From what I can see, rods are good. I'm gonna take these off. So Moment of truth. There you go. Good. We're fine. All right, on this side, there are marks. So there's metal somewhere in these piston heads because it is marking up these pistons head pretty good. So I can wipe that off a little bit for you. So you can see that there's marks on this one. This other side has a lot more on this one. The rest of them seem fine, but this one seems to have some kind of cleaning that happened on it. Probably because the piston rings on this came undone, but then metal shavings of some sort were in the engine as well. Let me turn this around so you can see this other side. Check that out. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we found the problem. Come here. Holy crap. A piston literally blew up. Imagine if I pull off the pan, you'll be able to see it. Look at that. That whole side blew off. It is gone. And the engine was still going. Holy crap. Nuh-uh. And then the strap metal came in, gunked up some of the other spots, it looks like. Holy cow. That is ridiculous. That one seems fine. But oh my gosh. That is just amazing. Holy cow. I cannot believe that. It's a good thing we bought a different engine, huh? And then the strap metal came and hit that one. Right there. Golly. The other ones are just fine. That is amazing. Wow. I am amazed. Holy crap. Yeah, that's gone. Oh my gosh. That's just amazing. I cannot believe that piston exploded, shot all that stuff out. No wonder the truck was shooting out so much black oil everywhere, the pressure drop. All right, let's get you in the sun. So here's what's crazy. It would have been this would have been the head for that piece. You can see that this head has some of the strap metal markings on this one. Came in here. I'm curious on if this is still gonna be okay. We'll have to take it to a machine shop, get all new pistons, rebuild this up, have some fun with the 350, go from there. See you later, guys.